Hey guys, welcome to 30th video of MATLAB programming. My name is Milan Shah and I'm going to teach you if else loop, or you can say if else and statement. So suppose a is equal to 10. First I will print this a value of a is %d slash n comma a. This line will print value of a is 10. Now if then condition a is less than 20. If a is less than 20, then print this line a is less than 20, otherwise else f printf is greater than 20 and this is the basic example of if else and statement. Now what is happening here? First a is 10, then it will, and then this line will print value of a is 10, then it will go to the if else and statement. Now if a less than 20, this is the condition. If a is less than 20, then it will print a is less than 20, else it will print a is greater than 20 and end. Here 10 is less than 20, then it will print a is less than 20. Now run it. Here a is equal to 10, this is the part of this line, then value of a is 10, value of a is 10. Now it will check this condition. If this condition is true, then it will print a is less than 20. Okay, but now what if a is 30? A is 30 now, so a is less than 20 condition is not right, then it will print a is greater than 20. Now here a is 30, value of a is 30 and a is greater than 20. Why? Because this condition is not right here. Okay, but now what if a is 20? Save it and run it. A is 20, value of a is 20 and a is greater than 20. Why this thing is happen here? Because it will check this condition only. A is less than 20. Here a is not less than 20, but a is not greater than 20. So to do this thing correctly, you have to put equal to. Now what is the condition? A is less than or equal to 20. Equal to. Save it and run it. A is less than or equal to 20. Why? Because this condition here is right. A is less than or equal to 20. A is not less than, but a is equal to 20. So it will print something like this. So this is the basic if else and statement. Do like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thanks for watching.